My name is Randy Jensen. I work for Oregon Tools. We're the largest manufacturer of saw chain in the world. We do saw chain for forestry side, for handheld applications, and obviously for mechanical harvesting stuff. We have 3/4 inch bars right here. It has hardened rails and stuff. And then of course our new 404 bars that we have right here in front of you that you can see, which is our low vibe bar. We recently just launched the anti-vibe bar. So any bar that's 80 centimeters or longer will now have this new feature. It's wider than any competition bar out there, so it's much, much stiffer. The technology improves and operators become more and more proficient, and using the operator, they're looking for bars that are more rigid as opposed to ones that have a lot of deflection, because you had customers that were like new to the machines and they would bend bars often because they were just trying to get used to the machine. So we were founded in 1947 by a gentleman by the name of Joe Cox. And looking in the ground, he's seen a beetle with these little hooks in there and knows that it was going proficiently through the wood cross grain and with the grain. This gentleman named Joe Cox said, hey, if I could take those little beetle hooks and make it into steel. He became the father of the industry. In 1947, he was awarded a patent, and it became Omark Industries at the time, which we moved to Oregon Cutting Systems, which we moved into Oregon Tool. We are probably the most leading edge technology. We have over 600 patents. We cater to like 114 different types of countries there. We have a manufacturing in Guelph, right? It has roughly around 400 employees. Oregon Tool as a whole is around 4,000 employees, but we have a manufacturing facility in Portland, Oregon. We have one in Brazil and then in China as well. So we have the capability of moving machines and capability of manufacturing processes. As obviously today, tariffs is a really big thing. So we have the option to kind of move stuff around to figure out giving the best price to our customers and stuff. So very, very innovative in the field. We have lots and lots of patents on different types of cutters, configuration, and bars, industries in the house. So let's talk a little bit about harvester bar. We mentioned a little bit like the 404 bars right have. We went to the low vibe, right? That's out that we offer there. On our EnduroMax bars, which we just launched about a year ago, we have a really cool hard oxide 500 plus alloy material. And we improved the nose sprocket and attachment, so it's got a 4 rivet nose versus the 5. This product right here is called our Speed Cut Nano cutting system. And what it is intended for is it was just solely designed to meet 1 to 3 horsepower saws. And what it does is it extends the batteries of if you're running battery chainsaws, right? But it also like supercharges your gas saws. So it's an innovative system that we introduced probably 4 years ago that nobody else has, right? That it really optimizes your cutting systems on there. So we have a couple of arrays of grinders. We have a bench grinder like this. It can be mounted on a pole like this, or it can be mounted on a bench, right? It has a nice little lever. It allows you to grind your chain. And then we have a hydraulic assist one, which today at the show, we also offer a full line of automatic auto grinders that you have right here that you can see on this grinder. What it does is actually grinding the cutter, and it's clearing out the angle, and then it hits the raker as well for you, which precision allows you to allow the grinders so that you can get all the cutters from the left and the right hand side equal. We have handheld vices that you clamp to your bar and chain that allows you to file your chain, manually, or the Sure Sharp little grinder, which is a little electric Dremel kind of tool stuff. So we have a great offering of options for people, from the little more less expensive bench grinders to the professional grinders that you have right here, and then even the little handheld grinders as well. Again, my name is Randy Jensen. I'm here at the Oregon booth here at the Canadian North Resource Expo show. If you want to check out our products, you can check out our products at www.oregonproducts.com. It's a great place to look out for all the accessories, over 4,000 different variety of equipment that we have. And you can find your local dealers there as well. Just put in as a dealer locator application, find there, put in your zip code, and it will find the nearest dealer for you. So thank you very much for listening. Have a great day.